Every project needs a team. A team is a group of people working together, sharing a common goal. They need to cooperate to succeed. Without a strong team, projects fail, people get frustrated, and deadlines are missed. The project loses momentum. Team development is essential for project success. It's about building a cohesive unit. A good team is more than just individuals. It's about creating synergy. When a team works well, it's like a well-oiled machine. Each part contributes to the whole. Teams that communicate well are more effective. They can solve problems faster and adapt to changes. Good teams are more creative and can come up with innovative solutions. The first stage of team development is forming. This is where the team comes together. Members are getting to know each other and learning about the project. There is a sense of excitement and anticipation. People are eager to contribute. However, there is also some uncertainty. Roles and responsibilities are not yet clear. The project manager plays a crucial role in this stage. They need to set the tone, create a welcoming environment, and make sure team members feel comfortable sharing their ideas. The project manager should clearly articulate the project goals, outline the project scope, and explain the importance of teamwork. It's important to establish clear communication channels to ensure everyone is kept informed. Regular team meetings are essential. These meetings provide a platform for discussion, allow team members to share their progress, and help identify any early challenges. Team-building activities can be helpful in the forming stage. These activities, whether informal or structured, encourage interaction and help team members bond. The key is to create a sense of camaraderie. Trust is the foundation of any successful team. Without trust, teams crumble. Members become suspicious of each other, less likely to cooperate, and more likely to blame each other when things go wrong. Building trust takes time and effort. It requires open and honest communication. One way to build trust is through vulnerability. Leaders should be willing to admit their mistakes and be open to feedback. This shows team members that it's okay to be imperfect and creates a culture of psychological safety. When people feel safe, they are more likely to take risks. Active listening is another important aspect of building trust. Team members should feel heard and understood, and their opinions should be valued. Leaders should encourage dialogue and create opportunities for team members to share their perspectives. Celebrating small wins can also contribute to trust building. Recognizing individual and team accomplishments reinforces positive behavior and shows team members that their contributions are appreciated. This can boost morale and strengthen relationships within the team. Once the team is formed, it's time to clarify roles and responsibilities. Each team member needs to understand their role and know what is expected of them. This prevents confusion and duplication of effort and ensures accountability. The project manager should work with the team to define roles, considering each individual's skills and experience. Roles should be assigned based on strengths to ensure that each team member is in a position to succeed. Clear job descriptions are essential. These documents outline the duties and responsibilities of each role. Goal setting is another critical aspect of this stage. The team needs to have a shared understanding of the project goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Having clear goals provides direction and helps the team stay focused on what needs to be accomplished. Regular progress checks are important. They allow the team to track their progress towards the goals. These checks can be done through team meetings or status reports. This allows for early identification of any potential roadblocks and provides an opportunity to adjust the plan if needed. In Section 5, we explore support and collaboration. A supportive team environment is crucial for project success. Team members need to feel supported by their colleagues and by the project manager. This means providing the resources and guidance they need to succeed. It also means creating a culture of mutual respect and encouragement. Collaboration is key to achieving project goals. Team members need to work together effectively. They need to share information and ideas. They need to be willing to help each other. The project manager should foster a collaborative environment. They should encourage teamwork and open communication. One way to promote collaboration is through team-building exercises. These exercises can help team members develop their communication and problem-solving skills. They can also help to build trust and rapport. Another way to encourage collaboration is to use technology. Collaboration tools such as online project management software can help team members stay connected and share information more easily. It's important to recognize and reward collaborative behavior. This could involve public acknowledgement of team successes or providing incentives for teams that work well together. By highlighting the value of collaboration, the project manager can create a more cohesive and productive team. In Section 6, we address managing conflict. Conflict is inevitable in any team. People have different opinions, they have different working styles. Sometimes these differences lead to clashes. However, conflict is not always a bad thing. If managed effectively, conflict can lead to better solutions. It can foster innovation. The key is to address conflict constructively. The project manager should create a safe space for team members to voice their concerns. They should encourage open and respectful dialogue. They should facilitate discussions to find mutually acceptable solutions. It's important to focus on the issue, not the person. One effective strategy for conflict management is active listening. This involves truly hearing and understanding the perspectives of all parties involved. It means acknowledging their feelings and concerns. Active listening can help to de-escalate the situation and create a more collaborative environment. Another important aspect of conflict management is finding common ground. This involves identifying shared goals and values. By focusing on what unites the team, it's possible to find solutions that benefit everyone. The project manager should encourage compromise and collaboration. Celebrating success is crucial for team morale. It reinforces positive behavior and shows team members that their hard work is appreciated. It creates a sense of accomplishment. Celebrations don't have to be elaborate. They can be as simple as a team lunch or a public acknowledgement of achievements. The project manager should make it a point to celebrate milestones. Reaching a project milestone is a significant achievement. It's a chance to acknowledge the team's progress and an opportunity to re-energize the team. Celebrations can also be used to mark the completion of a project phase. Individual achievements should also be recognized. This could involve highlighting exceptional contributions during team meetings or providing small tokens of appreciation. Recognizing individual efforts shows team members that they are valued. It encourages them to continue contributing their best. Celebrations foster team spirit, create a sense of camaraderie, and remind team members that they are part of something bigger than themselves. This shared sense of accomplishment strengthens the team bond. Feedback is essential for team growth. It helps team members identify areas for improvement and provides an opportunity for learning and development. Feedback should be given regularly, both positive and constructive. It should be specific and actionable. The project manager should create a culture of feedback. They should encourage team members to provide feedback to each other and also be open to receiving feedback themselves. Feedback can be given formally, through performance reviews, or informally, through everyday interactions. Continuous improvement should be a team goal. Teams should always be looking for ways to improve their processes and be open to new ideas and approaches. The project manager should encourage experimentation and innovation. They should create an environment where it's safe to try new things and learn from mistakes. Regular team retrospectives are a valuable tool for continuous improvement. These meetings allow the team to reflect on their work, discuss what went well, and what could be improved. They can identify areas for process optimization. Retrospectives help teams learn from their experiences and become more effective over time. There are countless examples of successful project outcomes due to effective team management. One notable example is the development of the iPod. Apple's team, led by Steve Jobs, was known for its intense collaboration and dedication to innovation. Despite facing numerous challenges, the team worked together seamlessly to create a groundbreaking product that revolutionized the music industry. Another example is the construction of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. The project involved a massive team of architects, engineers, and construction workers from around the globe. Effective communication, coordination, and collaboration were essential to overcoming the complex logistical and engineering challenges of constructing such a massive structure. The success of the Apollo 11 mission, which landed the first humans on the moon, is another testament to the power of teamwork. The mission involved thousands of individuals working together across various disciplines. Clear goals, meticulous planning, and unwavering dedication to collaboration enabled the team to achieve a seemingly impossible feat. These examples demonstrate that effective team management can lead to extraordinary results. When individuals work together harmoniously with a shared vision and a commitment to excellence, they can achieve remarkable feats. Leading a team to victory is about more than just managing tasks. It's about inspiring people. It's about creating a shared vision. It's about empowering team members to achieve their full potential. Effective project leaders understand that their role is to serve the team. They provide guidance, support, and encouragement. Great leaders foster a culture of trust and respect. They value diversity and encourage different perspectives. They are open to feedback and willing to learn from their mistakes. They celebrate successes and learn from failures. They create an environment where team members feel valued and motivated. The impact of good leadership on team dynamics is profound. When team members feel supported and inspired, they are more engaged and productive. They are more likely to go the extra mile. They are more resilient in the face of challenges. Strong leadership creates a positive feedback loop, leading to greater team cohesion and ultimately project success. Therefore, mastering team development in project management is not just a desirable skill, it's a necessity. It's about recognizing the human element of projects. It's about understanding that people are the heart of every successful endeavor. By investing in team development, project managers empower their teams to achieve greatness.